Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make any specific program to run when you start up your PC in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is really useful if you want, so you don't waste time. It just runs automatically when the PC runs, and they start automatically every time you start a PC. So for example, I'm gonna show you on Google Chrome. It can be any program. So now you choose a program. So we click on it, right click on it, and then we go here to properties, and then we go to open file location. So we need to see here this application. We need this application, then right click again on this application that is highlighted here, this icon with your program that you have right here. For me, for example, is Google Chrome, and then we click here on copy, and now we can close these windows. You can press OK or cancel, doesn't matter. And now we go to start, and here on start we're gonna type run, and we click here on this run. So this here is really important, this command shell, then 2 dots and start up, and as you can see here, and we click OK, and now we will get to this window, this start menu program startup, and now we just right click again and we click on paste, and now make sure your exe file here on application, make sure it is pasted here, and I will just close. And now every time you restart when you restart PC or you shut down and then you turn it on, the Chrome will automatically run again from the start. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and ask me any questions if you have. Bye.